Hi guys, Steph here. What have we got here? Well, what we've got here, nice and simply, is one of my personal best favourite fountain pens. Can you tell what it is? Some of you will look at it, will know straight away, some people won't. Yes, it's a Onoto Magna fountain pen, this one being a lever fill fountain pen. Now, some of you who watch my videos regular will know that a long time ago I actually showed you a video, I did a review on my personal Onoto Magna, which is pretty well exactly the same as this. However, this one is a customer's, as with the previous video. He sent it to me just to give it a little bit of fettling, and again hopefully it'll be on its way back to him tomorrow. But such a gorgeous pen, I thought I'm sure Tony won't mind me sharing this beauty with you people out there. So what we've got is an Onoto Magna lever fill. The model of this pen is a 1703-35. It comes in this beautiful black chase pattern. You can see it's got this chase pattern on the barrel, which takes you up to the cap as well there. Sort of a wavy chase pattern. You can see it's got a empty cartouche there where some people may want to put their name or their initials, etc. The size of this pen from the top of the cap to the bottom of the barrel, 130mm capped. Around the diameter it's a lovely chunky 13mm in diameter. So as I say, it's the Onoto Magna. The date of this pen, I date them around about sort of 1930s, 1937, maybe through to the early 1940s. Along with the chase pattern here, it comes with gold plated or gold filled trim. It's a lever fill pen. You can see it's got this box lever. To the end of the lever there, it's got the Thomas de la Rue logo to the end of the lever. And then if we take you up to the cap band there, you can see it's got this sort of a broader cap band in the middle with two narrow ones to each side. Up to the clip there, they're very recognizable, and again to the top there, the Thomas de la Rue logo. This is what we term, or I term, as this chevron Onoto clip. There you go, there's a sideways view. To the top, it's just got this plain black stud to the top of the cap. All in all, a gorgeous, superb fountain pen. As I say, one of my all-time favourite fountain pen. Now, as I say, it's come from a customer, so you people may say, oh, is it for sale? I'm afraid not. No, it's not. It'll be going back tomorrow. I just thought I'd wanted to share it with you people. Let's unscrew the cap for you. Let's give you the customary twirl of the pen, show you some different angles. A beautiful pen in gorgeous condition. As I say, it just came to me for a little bit of fettling. I've put a new sack in it. I've just basically cleaned the whole pen up, cleaned everything internally, cleaned the feed, the nib, etc, etc. So let's take you up to the section. You can see it's got this quite a longish section with this little ridge towards the nib, slightly tapers towards the nib. Now if I hold it quite still, there you go. That's what I like about these pens, this gorgeous, very large Onoto nib. Let's keep it still, and you see it says De La Rue Onoto 14 carat London, and then to the bottom you can see it's a large number 7 nib in beautiful condition. Incidentally, as I say, there's the feed underneath. It's the sort of pretty well standard comb feed, everything lovely and clean. sideways view, in beautiful condition. The only thing that's different between this one and my personal pen, if I bring that over here, there's my personal one. If I unscrew the cap for you, pop the cap to one side, and if I compare the nibs for you, let's get it side by side. Okay, now I'm not sure how clear that is. I'm hoping it's nice and clear, but you notice my nib has a more recognisable, if you like, two-tone number 7 nib. Although it's that, you know, mine's fine. I think this one may be sort of a medium nib, but the only difference between the two is that the one on the left is all a gold coloured number 7 nib, and the one on the right is this two-toned, again, a number 7 nib. So apart from that, that's the only difference between the two pens, but the nibs in both cases are the correct nibs for these pens. Okay, so the fact that one's two-tone and one isn't is not a problem at all. So as I say, that's my personal baby there, so let's put her to one side. As I said, I've put a new sack in it, everything's been cleaned up. A lovely size pen. I've got large hands, it's quite a broad pen, suits me lovely. Although for you people that know, you may not know, I'm not a big writer. I've got a collection of pens. Especially my Magna, I just love holding it and looking at it and admiring it. So okay, yes, I can hear you all shouting already. Yes, but we'd like to see it writing. So let's pop the nib in the ink, pull the lever. There we go, can hear the bubbling going on. Let's just do it once, it's only for a writing sample. Let's give it a wipe. Pop the ink to one side and let's bring on the trusted pad. So let's see how the pen writes. As always, first time it's been tested since I've serviced it, so hopefully, fingers crossed, everything should be alright. So well, there we go. There was no commentary needed there. That was actually very nice. It's a lovely, gorgeous, smooth writer, as you'd expect from a pen of this quality. Lovely writer. That was a couple of seconds of pleasure that I actually enjoyed, believe it or not. It was a pleasure to write with. A gorgeous, smooth writer. So as I said, there's no commentary needed with that, but there we go. I'm going to keep it quite short if I can. So there we have it, a beautiful Onoto Magna 1703-35. Just a last little point, obviously the Onoto Magnas were made with a lever fill. They were also made as a plunger filler as well, this one being the lever filler, in absolutely gorgeous condition, as you can see. Actually, one thing I'm not actually showing you, so let's show you. There we go, Onoto Magna Rue and Company, London. So there's a gorgeous barrel imprint, and then to the bottom, there we go, is the model number being 170335. Incidentally, you may be asking, I'm not quite sure, what does the 1703 is a model of the pen. The 35, I would say, relates to the material, the colour, the spec of the pen itself, but I'm not 100% sure. But let's leave it at that. So there's your pen, Tony. Hopefully it'll be back on its way tomorrow to you. I hope you enjoy it, because it's a gorgeous, lovely writer. So hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing you people. Don't forget, leave a comment below. Have you subscribed? If not, subscribe now, and if you possibly can, why not support my work? But from this gorgeous, handsome fountain pen, I'll just say bye bye for now.